Santa didn't deliver a single gift. Why, you ask? He slept terribly. Santa was mouth-breathing all night, snoring away, and ended up sleeping right through his alarm. Thankfully, Mrs. Claus knows better. She taped his mouth gently with ZzzTape, and the snoring stopped instantly. With proper nasal breathing, Santa finally got real deep sleep. And guess what? He woke up energized and ready to fly. This time, every gift was delivered. Christmas was saved. Don't let poor sleep ruin your holidays. Give the gift of better sleep this holiday season, even for the loudest snorer. ZzzTape. Sleep better. Save Christmas.